Okay, breaking news. Yabona eSouth Africa makhona into ezitrendayo. ESouth Africa maphane kukhona izinto esijule ngazo ngaleso sikhathi. Kuba nento behind ezenzakalayo always. Yabona manje sibhizi noNcami, birthday Ncami, sibhizi neParliament, lendaba zonke abende eParliament, sibhizi nje nalowa mama lowana kade nimbona laphana enza inhloflofu yabo. Sibhizi nje South Africa ngento eziningi. ICape Town ngaleso sikhathi iyahamba iCape Town. ICape Town isitsheleke u50 billion rand. Iutsheleka eAmerica kwifoundation yase-America 50 billion. Umbuzo ukuthi izobenefitani le foundation iCape Point into ezoyibenefit. Mangabe uthi Cape Town iDA iyahluleka lapha eCape Town ukukhokha lesikweletu okusho ukuthi iCape Point izoyithatha izoba ngaphansi kwayo. So ubani ozoluza iSouth Africa. Iluze into ebaluleke kakhulu bafethu iCape Point. Iluze into ebaluleke kakhulu. Vele kudala befuna ukwenza iCape Town ukuthi ibe independent. So now they try all by means ukuthi benze izinto ezokwenza ukuthi sigcine iCape Town eSouth Africa siyiluza. Ngale mali abayitshelekile. Bavumelekile yini ukuthi batsheleke imali as a province kwamanye amazwe without ukuthi government abe nayo access azi? But iCape Town ikwenzile lokho. Yayotsheleka imali kephi America. Yahamba iCape Town sibhekile. Kunezindaba futhi esiyitholile. Kuthiwa kusenamanye amabhanoyi futhi aseza futhi asuke ePalestine lababhanoyi. Nikhumbula ukuthi uDonald Trump wayichazile ukuthi iPalestine uyayidinga because kuno-oil laphana, kunama-mineral laphana. Even Israel iyayidinga. Waze wathi uDonald Trump ekhuluma wathi ufuna ukuthi iPalestine kube yizwe lakhe, licontrole uyena, yizwe nje ela Donald Trump. So now they try all by means ukumove abantu base Gaza ukuze le ndawo yaseGaza bayithathe. Abantu ke bayakhala bathi why iHamas ibhizi ibhome Israel, why oYemen bebhizi bebhome Israel, why Iran they fighting back. Into eyenza lokho ingenxa ukuthi iGaza bayayithanda and futhi Israel iyawahlukumeza amazwe amaningi alapha eMiddle East. Yingakho and Israel ifuna ukwaphatha kube yiyona ewacontrolayo lamazwe. So basho ke bathi bafuna ukuthi wonke umuntu olapha eGaza akaphume ukuze iIsrael ikwazi ukuyithatha kahle iGaza. That is why izama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ibahambise bonke abantu abahlala lapha eGaza. Kumanje eSouth Africa maningi amabhanoyi azonqonqoza aze la. Into eyinkinga iyodwa ke labantu beza abanama document ama-terrorist kulula ukuthi angene and singakwazi even kwa recognize eSouth Africa. Ungabona ke eSouth Africa sekunaba nempi futhi eSouth Africa. Nikulindele lokho ukuthi impi South Africa ingaqala noma inini because kunabantu abazofika la eSouth Africa ngamabhanoyi. Nicabanga ukuthi nina basePalestine kanti abasibona basePalestine but abase-Israel ama-terrorist alethwa ngamabhanoyi. Yabafethu isazoba senkini. Yabona nibhizi ngezinye izinto, ama-trend, zonke lezi zinto. Kunezinto ezenzakalayo under carpet engeke nize nizibone. Kodwa ngoba thina sikhona-ke ukuthi lo sinitshele ngolwazi akho nkinga. Qhubekani nibhizi nama-trend. Liyafizwa, liyahambiswa, nibhekile.
Yesterday we had a plane of 160, we're carrying 160 Palestinians landing at OR Tambo. And these are people from Gaza who somehow mysteriously were put on a plane that passed by Nairobi and came here. And I got to hear about it from my Minister of Home Affairs, wanting to know what do we do now. And I said, we cannot turn them back. Even though they do not have the necessary documents and papers, these are people from a strife-torn, a war-torn country. And out of compassion, out of empathy, we must receive them and be able to deal with the situation that they are facing. And it does seem like they were being, flushed out. We will get the details later, but from a humanitarian point of view, we could not return them from whence they have come, and we had to accept them, and they are now here, and we are going to be processing everything about them and then deciding precisely what needs to be done. Well, the issue of the Palestinians who've been brought here is a matter, as I said, that we're paying attention to. We obviously need to look at the origins, where it started, the reason why they've been brought here. And ordinarily we would have said they should go back because they didn't have any documentation. But out of empathy, out of compassion, and because they are a people that we as South Africa have raised our hands to support, we felt that we should accept them and process their matter. So their matter is being processed, we are discussing it, our intelligence agency is involved, and the Home Affairs is involved, and DERCO is also involved. So we're going to do a proper evaluation and see what the future portends when it comes to this. So we will be dealing with it, and as I said, we will make an announcement so that the people of South Africa know precisely what is happening and how this matter came to be where it is.
Vela ngithi siyayiphuzela sinakela ama-trend asinake nakunaka lutho. So eSouth Africa ke kade kuzoba nesiteleka bezoba khona. Lesiteleka sinani silwela indaba yerand, imanipulation lenziwa amabhenki ukuthi amabhenki kumele abuyise nemali zethu ayithathayo ngaloku manipulate irand South Africa. So bona they try ukuthi bazohlisa irand libe u7 per a dollar. So lokho kuzoshaya kanjani na? Ngizonichazela. So angithi vele nina aninakile ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ugovernment wa decide ukuthi nathi cha indaba yaleyo nto leyo yokuthi kuyamngiyotoyitoy akayidingi since kuzi G20, and futhi kade izokwenziwa lento ngosuku lokuzala kwapresident eSouth Africa wathi cha akayidingi lonto. Kwathiwa okay ke sizoba nemarch ye-GBV. Wathi ugovernment yes yabona ke leyo ilesiyidingayo ke leyo ayibe khona ke lo march leyo, kodwa le run manipulation wathi cha, because benza sure bafethu ukuthi izinto ezokwathi zisiza umuntu omnyama bayayivala lo zinto ukuthi nina ningalinge niziphazamise lo zinto lezo. Yabona ukwehla kwerand okusho ukuthi irand lizoba strong, and then bese ukuthi imoto lezi enzobe nizithenga ngaphandle, uoil enzobe niyithenga ngaphandle, zonke izinto even travel esuke eSouth Africa uye ngaphandle kuzoba more cheap. Kodwa ke ama import azobe suka la eSouth Africa eye kulamazwe lawo azobe ke ebiza, okusho ukuthi lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi iSouth Africa itsheleke more money emazweni, and thina lo mali so endaba sehluleka kuyikhokha. Masihluleka kuyikhokha kuzoba phoqa bona ukuthi abathatha ama mineral wethu sikhokhe ngawo, sibambise ngawo. Lokho kwenzakala kanjani? Kwenzakala ngokuthi mangapha nehluleka ukukhokha iyavumelana no maybe angry American athi no, the best way ngoba wena uyahluleka ukungikhokhela, mina ngizosebenzisa imine yakho for 20 years ngiyisebenzisa le mine. After 20 years sesingenza ideal entsha, okusho ukuthi lapho bawuluza iSouth Africa. Athi ulento inkampani yaseAmerica okay ngoba unahluleka ukungikhokhela mina ngizowama ngiyovula imine endaweni ethile, leyo mine ngizoyisebenza for 30 years. Ubani ozobhenefitha lo? Akusiyona iSouth Africa but ama-mine lawa ase-America. Iyona ndlela le abashaya ngayo and abantu ababoni, babhizi bona bayiphuzela bayijabulela. Into ebalekile bafethu asoze sazibona ngoba every time uma kunama-trend akhona nento ekubhizi nazo, bona benza sure ukuthi kunezinto abayifakayo ecaleni